Hello, welcome to the English practicing story number 14. Now you are going to listen to the story. Then I will ask many questions about it. You must answer every question. Use your pause button and answer the question. Okay, let's get started. There was a girl named Sophia. She was very rich. She hated her ex-boyfriend Joseph, so she wanted to be happier than Joseph. In fact, she wanted to be better than him all over. One day, she bought a new, fast, expensive Mercedes car. She said, "My car is faster and more expensive than Joseph's car. Woohoo!" But Joseph was richer than her. He bought a red Ferrari. It was the fastest and the most expensive car in the world. Sophia got angry and crazy. Next day, she bought a big house. She said, "My house is bigger than his house." And Joseph bought a huge house. It was the biggest and the most beautiful house in the world. And Sophia got more and more crazy.
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
She bought a lot of expensive things to be happier than Joseph. But every time Joseph bought more expensive things. Then she said, "I am not as rich as Joseph. I can't be happier than him with money. There must be another way to be happier than him." And she found it. She gave all her wealth to the charity to help homeless people. She spent less money. She ate less food. She studied yoga. Eventually, she became thinner. She became more healthy, and she became happier than she was before.
If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Okay, back to the beginning with questions. There was a girl named Sophia. What was there? A girl? There was a girl. Was her name Pamela? No, her name wasn't Pamela. Her name was Sophia. She was very rich. Was she very poor? No, she wasn't. She wasn't very poor. She was very rich. How did she feel about her ex-boyfriend? She hated him? She hated her ex-boyfriend Joseph. Did she feel excited when she thought of Joseph? No, she didn't. She didn't feel excited when she thought of him. So she wanted to be happier than Joseph. In fact, she wanted to be better than him all over. Did she want to be sadder than him? No, she didn't. She didn't want to be sadder than Joseph. How did she want to be? Much more happy. She wanted to be happier than Joseph. Did she want to be more healthier than him? Yes, she did. She wanted to be more healthy than him. Did she want to have better shoes than he has? Yes, she did. She wanted to have better shoes than Joseph had. She wanted to be better than him all over. One day, she bought a new, fast, expensive Mercedes car. What did she buy? A new, fast, and expensive car. She bought a new, fast, expensive Mercedes. Did she buy a new cat? No, she didn't. She didn't buy a new cat. She bought a new car. What did she say about her new car?
Listen to the lessons repeatedly to think in English and automatic speaking. Repetition is very, very important to become fluent. You need to speak English fluently without translating in your head. The words should come out of your mouth automatically. So, this is where the repetition comes in. If you repeat the same vocabulary and sentences many times, you will become a master of this vocabulary and grammar. So, you will be able to use that words automatically, without thinking about grammar rules and without translating vocabulary in your head. In order to think in English, you must repeat vocabulary and sentences as much as you can. After lots of repetition, eventually you will start to think English in your head and improve your speaking skills. As I mentioned before, we use the question and answer method repeatedly in our short story lessons. So you will listen to the vocabulary and sentences many times in the same lesson.
What did she say about her new car? She said, "My car is faster and more expensive than Joseph's car. Woohoo!" Was her new car slower than Joseph's car? No, it wasn't. It wasn't slower than his car. It was faster than Joseph's car. Was it cheaper than Joseph's car? No, it wasn't. It wasn't cheaper than Joseph's car. It was more expensive than Joseph's car. Did she say, "My car is worse than his car"? No, she didn't. She didn't say, "My car is worse than his car." She said, "My car is better than his car." But Joseph was richer than her. He bought a red Ferrari. It was the fastest and the most expensive car in the world. Was Sophia rich? Yes, she was. She was rich. Was Joseph rich? Yes, he was. He was rich. Who was richer than the other? Joseph. He was richer than Sophia. She was rich, but Joseph was richer than her. What did Joseph buy? Ferrari. He bought a red Ferrari. Did he buy a Clio? No, he didn't. He didn't buy a Clio. He bought a Ferrari. Was Joseph's Ferrari a fast and expensive car? Yes, it was. It was a fast and expensive car. Was it slower than Sophia's new car? No, it wasn't. It was not slower than Sophia's car. It was faster than hers. Which car was more expensive? Joseph's car? Joseph's new Ferrari was more expensive than Sophia's Mercedes? In fact, Joseph's Ferrari was the most expensive and fastest car in the world. How did Sophia feel? She got angry and crazy. Did she become happier? No, she didn't. She didn't become happier. She became unhappy. What did she do next? She bought a big house. Did she buy a small house? No, she didn't. She didn't buy a small house. She bought a big house. What did she say about her new house? She said, "My house is bigger than Joseph's house."
If you want to complete your practice of this story, you can go to EnglishEasyPractice.com and download the audio lessons of the story. So you can practice English with it whenever and wherever you want. Just listen to our short stories and answer the easy question out loud. You will improve your listening and speaking skills fast. And that's all for now. See you at EnglishEasyPractice.com.